High-performance trading requires strategies and a set of tools to obtain the best results in your trades. Among these tools, the realized cap indicator stands out, created exclusively to identify the real value of the Bitcoin network. Not familiar with the realized cap indicator? So stick around, because in this video, you will understand the main function of this indicator, how it is calculated, and why it's one of the main indicators of the blockchain network. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Sharon, and I'm from the Vector Education team. How are you doing today? Well, to access this indicator, in the menu, choose the Network Data option. In the bottom corner, click on the Current Indicator. A list will appear, and in it, we will look for the option Realized Cap. Now, let's uncheck the box on the left side so that we only have the view of this indicator. The realized capitalization offers valuable insight into the behavior of the cryptocurrency investors, and it is intended to provide an accurate measure of the current size of the Bitcoin market. This indicator is important in network data analysis, as it measures the purchase value of each Bitcoin on the day it was last traded. For example, if you purchase Bitcoins at 3 different times, the realized cap is found by calculating the acquisition cost, multiplying the amount paid by the number of Bitcoins in each purchase. In other words, if you want to find out the realized cap of your wallet, just add the acquisition cost of each Bitcoin and divide it by the total number of Bitcoins in your wallet. If the current price of Bitcoin is lower than the result, it means that you paid a higher purchase price than they are currently worth. However, if the current Bitcoin price is higher than the result, that means you are profiting from the transactions. Let's compare the market cap figures with the Bitcoin's realized cap. We will select the left box in the bottom corner and look for the market cap metric in our list of indicators. The volume of Bitcoins traded on the network amounts to $763 billion in the market cap, while in the realized cap of the Bitcoin network, it's valued at $372 billion. In other words, we can conclude that the realized cap provides accurate data of the real size of the market because it eliminates all lost coins from the calculation, leaving only coins in circulation. The difference between the values is high, but arguably the most accurate today. So guys, in this video, you've learned about the realized cap metric and its importance in the blockchain data analysis, as it measures the purchase value of each Bitcoin on the day it was last traded. If you like this content, leave us your like, comment, and share. See you in our next video.